So today we are going to read the book The Avengers, an origin story full in this video itself. So let's start. Like many great stories, ours begins with a troublemaker. Loki. The one was named Loki. He lived in a place called Asgard with his brother Thor and their father Odin, the king of the realm. All of them had powers and you and I could hardly dream of. Even though Loki and Thor were both princes, Thor was first in the line to be the next king of Asgard. This made Loki very jealous. He thought he should be king. Loki used his wits to try and get Thor into trouble so that he could take his place as king. But Thor was clever and knew what his brother was up to. As much as he hated to do it, Thor asked Odin's permission to keep Loki prisoner on the Isle of Silence so that he would stop causing trouble. Loki was furious. Not only was Thor set to be king, but now Loki could do nothing to stop him. Thor had used his strength to crush his brother, but Loki had gifts too. Among them was the power to make people see things that weren't really there. He also could send his spirit places his body could not go. Then Loki had an idea. Loki knew that Thor spent most of his time on Earth disguised as a doctor named Don Blake, and Earth was filled with heroes: Iron Man, Hulk, Scarlet Witch, Quicksilver, Wasp, Ant-Man, Hercules, Black Widow, Hawkeye. If Loki could find one that the people of Earth didn't trust, one who was strong to win a battle with someone as powerful as Thor, he could defeat his brother and claim his place as next in the line of throne of Asgard. So Loki closed his eyes and sent his spirit to Earth to find the giant green hero Hulk. Loki found the Hulk alone, far from any city. He wasted no time on putting his plan into action. He used his power to make it appear that a nearby stretch of railway tracks was torn up. Just as Loki had hoped, the Hulk quickly noticed and jumped on the train to stop it from crashing. But the people on the train thought the Hulk was trying to hurt them, not help them. So the Hulk jumped away from the scene. This was just what Loki had wanted. Thor was sure to try to stop the Hulk, and the Hulk would defeat Thor. As the news quickly made its way across the country, it caught the attention of Don Blake, just as Loki thought it would. And at nearby Stark Industries, billionaire Tony Stark also heard what the Hulk had been up to. He quickly suited up as Iron Man and rushed to the scene. In a high-rise lab in New York, Dr. Henry Pym and Jan Van Dyne also heard the alert and changed into superheroes Ant-Man and Wasp. They rushed off to find the Hulk and save the day. All the heroes arrived at the same time. The police were happy to see many of them in one place. Even the Hulk would have trouble stopping 4 superheroes, but someone else wasn't so happy. Loki wanted the Hulk to fight only Thor. He needed to get Thor away from the others. Loki created an image that only Thor could see. The mighty Thor cornered what he thought was the Hulk in a vacant lot. Thor launched his hammer, but nothing happened. That's when Thor realized his brother was up to his old tricks. Only Loki could work magic like this. Thor knew that the Hulk was not to blame. He flew off toward Asgard to stop Loki and set things right. The others were confused by Thor's leaving. They still thought the Hulk needed to be stopped. Just then a swarm of ants signaled to Ant-Man that they had found the real Hulk. Ant-Man told Iron Man and Wasp to follow the swarm. The superheroes tracked the Hulk to a nearby circus. The Hulk saw the superheroes and quickly disguised himself as a circus performer. The heroes still thought the Hulk was dangerous, so Ant-Man and Wasp attacked him, while Iron Man got the audience to safety. Once Iron Man had cleared the area, he joined the fight, and as this battle raged on, another was about to begin. Thor raced towards the Bifrost as fast as he could. He quickly arrived at the Isle of Silence to bring the real threat to justice. But Loki had been expecting his brother. Loki called upon the Silent Ones, trolls who lived on the earth on the ice. The Ones attacked Thor and pulled him underground, but Thor was not so easily beaten. Thor defeated the Silent Ones, but in struggle Loki escaped. Thor quickly went after his brother, but even he found him at Bifrost, which linked Asgard to the other realms. Loki had created an illusion to distract Heimdall, the Asgardian who guarded the bridge and sneaked past. But even though Heimdall hadn't seen the real Loki, Thor had. Back on Earth, the battle continued. Thor explained that it was Loki, not the Hulk, who had caused all the trouble. But Loki would not give up. He used his power to make it seem like there were many of him. But only one by one, the heroes eliminated the fakes. And then one hero discovered the true villain. Loki had been stopped. He would not rule Asgard today or ever. But it couldn't have been done by any one hero alone. The world would forever remember this day as a great team was born. The mighty Avengers first assembled. So friends, how was this story? Wasn't it nice and short? So let's meet you in the next video, in which I will tell how to solve the 19 table very shortly and also 29 table. Thank you.